In this video, we will show you how to replace the converter of your PUQ press. You need to order a replacement converter and display sticker with the product code displayed on screen. The tools you need during the following instruction are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flat screwdriver or box cutter. Start with pressing the Set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0. Remove the plug from the socket and wait until the display goes off. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from thread by hand, clockwise. Press the Set button. The drive unit goes back up. Loosen the 3 middle cover screws. Remove the middle cover. Loosen the ground wire screw. Loosen the 2 drive unit screws. Remove the drive unit completely and unclip the cable connector. Remove the display sticker. Loosen the 2 back cover screws. Lay the back cover gently on its back. Remove the cable connector at the top. Loosen the ground wire screw. Unclip the connector at the bottom by using a screwdriver. Loosen the 4 screws from the converter plate. Remove the converter plate. Remove the motor controller shield. Loosen the 4 studs from the converter. Remove the old converter. Put the new converter in place. Tighten the 4 studs. Put the converter plate back in its position and tighten the 4 plate screws. Put the motor controller shield back in place. Plug in the 2 cable connectors. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the back cover in place. Tighten the 2 back cover screws. Apply the display sticker. Put the drive unit in place and reconnect the cable connector. Tighten the 2 drive unit screws. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the middle cover back in place. Tighten the middle cover screws. Tighten the tamper base counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to 1. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Let's tamp.